guys, so I haven't talked to you guys in forever. I'm sorry about that. I'm in the car right now. It's the day after Valentine's Day. Yeah. I hate Valentine's Day. It's the 15th, or it was the 15th year that I have been single for Valentine's Day. But you know what? Whatever. So my hair today is not bright. Like, what is this? I'm trying to make it flat so it can go like that, but it's like that. Like, what? So I'm so tired. Hey, does that kind of look okay? I think that kind of looks okay. I don't know. It's gonna bother me the whole day anyways. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Hey, so it's Sunday. We just got done grocery shopping. I'm excited for Wednesday. You know why? Because I lettered and I'm getting my Letterman. Yeah. I'm excited to get my Letterman. So yeah. Hey y'all. So guess what I'm doing? Driving. Just kidding. I don't drive yet. I haven't even started driving school. Who am I kidding? I should be Why do I have earphones in if I'm not listening to anything? It's not even connected to anything. Wow, okay, I'm stupid. We have nothing else better to do than to sit here and be losers, so that's what we're doing. Was everyone's weekend? Was it good or was it bad? I hope it was good. If it was bad, I'm sorry. So he's looking through the CD thing. I don't know if you can see it there. We have Taylor Swift. I don't listen to her anymore.
One Direction.
We got Fetus Boys. We got Fetus One Direction. We also got another one somewhere. Oh, it's in here. Golf cart guy. Just kidding. Stop it. Stop it. Ugh. We also have this. It was a Christmas gift from my wonderful nephew. But he's cousin, nephew, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. So yeah. See you guys next week or Friday.
No.
Either day. I don't know. And yeah. Bye. Jay, say bye.
Bye.
Wave. Just kidding, never mind. Bye.